Are you ready to set yourself up for success in the new year? Creating a vision board can help you stay on track and keep your goals front and center. In this video, I'll show you how to create a vision board that works for you so you can start your year off with momentum and clarity. Struggling to stay focused on your goals? Let a vision board help. Have you been setting goals year after year but never really achieving them? Maybe it's time to try a new approach. A vision board helps keep your dreams in sight so you can stay focused, motivated, and take consistent action towards your goals. Why vision boards work for fresh starts? Well, first of all, it helps you clarify your goals. Vision boards force you to put your dreams and goals into a tangible visual form, making them more concrete and easier to focus on. This clarity will help you set specific, measurable, and achievable goals. It helps you to visualize success. Seeing your goals every day helps you create a mental image of your success, which is a powerful manifestation. The more you focus on your vision board, the more it becomes a reality. And it helps you to stay motivated. Vision boards act as a visual reminder to stay on track, providing motivation when times get tough. They remind you of why you started and keep your energy focused. So, what are the materials that you need for a powerful vision board? First, you're going to want to collect visuals. Find images, words, and quotes that represent your goals and your values. These should inspire you and reflect what you want to manifest. Then you're going to need some sort of a board. It could be a whiteboard, a cork board. And there's some other newer ways to do this too, which I'm going to share with you inside my Manifesting Dreams Vision Board workshop. Stay tuned till the end for more information about that. But you're going to want some sort of sturdy board. It could be foam board, cork board, a poster board. You're going to need some scissors, glue, magazines, or printouts off the internet. The process of physically putting together all these things is going to help get your creative juices flowing and help you manifest more things may come up as you're assembling your supplies. Then you're going to start working on your layout. Consider the board layout. Some prefer a grid, while others like a free-form collage, whatever resonates with you. The key is to organize it in a way that makes sense for you. Just because one way works for someone else, it doesn't mean that way is going to work for you. So make sure it makes sense for you. That is super key. Now you've assembled everything, you've created your vision board. Now it's time to put it into work by being able to see it daily. This part is very important. So you're going to want to place your vision board somewhere where you're going to see it several times a day, because you need that daily visualization to keep those dreams and goals forefront in your mind. So you're going to want to put it on your bathroom door, on the fridge in the kitchen, some high traffic area where you're going to see it daily. Because the more you look at your vision board daily, it keeps you aligned with your goals the more you see it. Don't be afraid to reflect and update. Your goals evolve. We all change. Maybe when you made the board, that's what you wanted, but a month or two down the road, maybe not so much. You may change your mind. So update your vision board. This keeps it relevant and it'll keep you aligned with what your current goals truly are. And last, take action. A vision board isn't going to do you any good if you're not actively taking steps towards the things that are on your vision board. Use it to break down your goals into smaller tasks and then take steps towards those. I've got a free 12-day Kickstart planner waiting for you. It's packed full of practical steps to help you start your year off strong. Leave a comment below and let me know how you're going to use your vision board this year. So as I always say, reemerge and rise, my warriors, because warriors do it better. We'll see you in the next video.